In the fast-paced world of food processing, reliable service and support are key to your success. At SANOVO, our deep expertise in egg handling and processing has made us a global leader, but our commitment doesn't stop there. Whether you're in the egg industry or protein processing, we provide tailored solutions to ensure your operations run at peak performance. Our customer care is built around your needs, offering more than just service. With CarePlans by SANOVO, you get tailored support to minimize downtime and optimize your production. Whether you need spare parts, technical assistance, training, or expert advice, we've got you covered. Our experience centers provide hands-on training to ensure your team can operate efficiently and confidently. We offer tailored programs for all skill levels, covering basic operations to advanced equipment servicing. Whether it's installation, after-sales support, or ongoing maintenance, we're with you every step of the way. We know that every minute counts, which is why our remote troubleshooting services help resolve issues quickly, reducing production disruptions. With LinkPro providing real-time data insights, you can monitor your equipment to identify potential improvements, ensuring optimal performance and keeping you ahead of the competition. Proactive performance reviews help you stay ahead, maximizing the value of your investment while improving efficiency and output. And with our global network, SANOVO ensures seamless support no matter where you're located, offering a lifetime partnership that keeps your business successful. Whether you handle maintenance independently, share it with SANOVO, or leave it entirely to us, we have a solution for you. Visit our website or contact us to see how we can support your business.